Welcome back to Crafty Coaster. Today we're at a pretty cool little place called the Unser Racing Museum, right here off of Montano Boulevard. We have a lot of history with the Unsers here in Albuquerque, and rumor has it, if you're lucky, one of the Unsers will show up. Don't know if he will today, but let's go inside and check it out. Come on, let's go. Just a quick interruption before we go any further. I need you to stick around to the end of the video because I've got a cool little piece of history that I think you'll want to hear. Alright? So, back to the museum. Building 2. As you can see, mostly it's artwork, pace cars, donated vehicles, and the coveted trophy room. Hope you enjoy this part, because to me, this is the coolest part. So here's a crazy little piece of history. What we're looking at here and here is the only piece of the Indianapolis 500 wall that has ever left the track. Story behind this wall is Al Unser Jr. and Emerson Fittipaldi in 1989 were racing neck and neck right at the end for the biggest purse that Indianapolis had ever given out, even today. There was a little rubbing, a little touching, a little too much love, and Al Unser Jr. ended up into this wall. And Emerson Fittipaldi ended up winning the race. Well, a couple years later, they replaced this wall. And in all their infinite wisdom and sarcastic fun, Al Unser Jr. ended up with this piece of the wall. They told him it was his $1 million purse. Kind of cool story. You know, history is a wonderful thing. Alright guys, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!